Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy vest or sleeveless top, and this pattern is worked from the bottom up, and I'm using the spider stitch with a chain 2 space in it, and it's a very easy pattern to work up. It's a 1-row repeat, so let's get started. To make this easy top, I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, and work a foundation chain in any amount that you need in an odd number. And the foundation chain should be worked loosely, and if you can't work loose stitches, use a crochet hook that's 1 size larger. So go ahead and work your foundation chain any number that reaches from side to side, underarm to underarm, or hip to hip, whichever is the largest on your body. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to work into the 3rd stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. And in that stitch, you're going to make a single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and another single crochet in the same stitch. Now you're going to skip 2 stitches in the next stitch, work, single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet. Like that, all the way across your foundation row. Okay, so you're going to work all the way across the row, and now you're going to repeat this row over and over until the work is as long as you would like your vest or sweater to be. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Start working in that first chain 2 space, and you're going to work in every chain 2 space across the row, and you're going to make single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. You're going to repeat this row over and over until the work is the length you need it. Go to the next chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. You're going to keep repeating that row over and over until your work is as long as you would like your vest to be. Like that, just keep working until the work is as long as you would like your vest or your sleeveless top to be. And then you're going to fasten off, and you're going to make 2 of these. And then you're going to sew them together at the shoulders, leaving enough room in the center to pass over the head, and then leave enough room for the sleeves, and then start here and sew down the 2 side seams. And if you like, you can leave little slits at the bottom, or you can sew them right down to the bottom. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this sleeveless top or vest. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.